Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the environment so the changer can run reliably. Check your OS release and update GPU drivers. This prevents conflicts with display APIs. Once done, download the installer and verify the checksum to avoid corrupted packages. Make sure to close games or capture software that lock resolutions. Run the installer as administrator or with sudo. This grants the tool permissions to write display profiles. These steps save time later and reduce configuration errors. You now configure a profile that matches your goals, whether compatibility or sharpness. Create a new layout with width, height, and refresh rate. Explain why each value matters for performance and latency. Once configured, choose a scaling method, nearest for speed, bilinear for smoother edges, GPU upscale for quality, and preview the result. Then assign hotkeys for instant switching and enable profile persistence on startup so settings survive reboots. This approach streamlines testing and reduces repetitive work. You finish by applying the profile and testing it in target applications. Verify there's no tearing or black screens and that input latency is acceptable. If something goes wrong, immediately roll back to the default profile, reinstall or roll back GPU drivers, and test a lower refresh rate. Those fixes resolve most conflicts. Make sure to collect logs and use the tool's Safe Mode Apply option to isolate problems. Finally, document the working profile so you can restore it quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.